Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English. Emily's English journey from zero to hero. Emily was a 17 years old girl from a small town in Spain. She always dreamed of speaking English fluently, but in her school, English lessons were boring and focused only on grammar rules. She could hardly say a sentence without stopping to think. Whenever she heard someone speak English, it sounded like music, fast, beautiful, and impossible to understand. One day, Emily decided to change her life. She wanted to study at a university in London, England. So she made a bold choice. She would move to England for 1 year and learn English the real way by living it. When Emily arrived in London, everything felt strange. The weather was cold and rainy, the buses were red and double-decker, and everyone spoke so fast. At the airport, the officer asked her purpose of visit. Emily froze. She wanted to say to learn English, but the words got stuck. The officer smiled kindly and repeated slower, "Are you here to study?" Emily nodded nervously. "Yes, study English," she managed to say. It was her first English conversation, short but a victory. Emily rented a room in a small English family's house in Oxford. Every evening, the family watched TV together. At first, Emily could not understand anything. The British accents, the jokes, the slang, all of it seemed impossible. She often cried at night, feeling lonely and stupid. But she refused to give up. She started watching children's shows with subtitles, listening to English songs, and keeping a diary in English. Each morning she wrote one new word in a sticky note and put it on her mirror. One day she went to a cafe and bravely ordered her coffee. "Hello, can I have a coffee, please?" The barista smiled. "Of course. Anything else?" Emily's heart raced. She understood him. "No, thank you," she said proudly. It was a small win, but it felt huge. 3 months later, Emily joined an English conversation club at the local library. The first meeting was terrifying. Everyone seemed so fluent. When it was her turn to speak, she stuttered and mixed words. But the teacher, Mr. Thomas, encouraged her. "Emily, remember, mistakes mean progress. Keep going." Every week she improved. She learned how to express her opinions, tell stories, and even make jokes. Her confidence grew. She made friends from all over the world: Maria from Brazil, Kenji from Japan, and Sarah from Misha. They all helped each other, correcting mistakes and laughing at funny translations. After 6 months, Emily noticed something incredible. She was thinking in English. When she went shopping, she spoke naturally. When she dreamed in English. She applied for a part-time job at a bookshop. During the interview, the manager asked, "Why do you want to work here?" Emily smiled and answered fluently, "Because I love books and I want to practice my English while helping customers." She got the job. Every day she talked to customers, learned new expressions, and felt more at home in England. After 1 year, Emily took the IELTS exam, the English test for international students. She was nervous, but she had worked hard. When the results came, she couldn't believe her eyes. Band 8 point. Her dream came true. She was accepted into a university in London to study international business. 2 years later, Emily gave a speech at her university graduation ceremony. Her English was perfect, her voice confident. "When I came to England, I could barely say hello. Now I can express my dreams, share my ideas, and connect with people all over the world. English didn't just change my language, It changed my life. The audience applauded loudly. Emily smiled, remembering the shy girl who once couldn't order a coffee. She had truly gone from zero to hero in English and in life. Many people around the world dream of learning English. Some learn it to travel, some to study, and others to find a better job. But for many learners, English becomes more than just a language, it becomes a journey of growth. When you start learning English, it may feel difficult. You might forget words or make mistakes. When you speak, sometimes you feel shy and sometimes you want to give up. But every mistake you make is a small step towards success. Every word you learn is a new door opening in your life. Imagine yourself 5 years from now speaking confidently, traveling the world, making new friends from many countries, reading books, watching movies, and working anywhere. That future begins today with your first step. Learning English is not only about grammar or vocabulary, it is also about patience, discipline, and courage. It teaches you how to keep going even when things are hard. It shows you that you are stronger than you think. So, when you study English, remember this, you are not just learning a language, you are building a new version of yourself. Start small. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Begin with what you have, where you are. Stay consistent. Success is not magic, it's built through daily habits and small wins. Learn every day. Read, observe, fail, and grow. Every mistake is a hidden lesson. Believe in yourself. Even if no one else does, keep faith that your effort will pay off. Be patient. Great things take time. Stay focused. Your time will come. Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.